Hey guys, this is Ben from Tilmor, and today we are going to instruct you on how to remove your seat from your 520 tractor. First and foremost though, we need to make sure that the battery disconnect switch is in the off position. You're going to have to release the seat latch, which is down by the manual holder. Pull your seat forward. You're going to have to disconnect your battery or your seat switch. There's multiple ways of doing this, but since I don't have a helper and I don't have a chain hoist, I'm going to do it. I'm going to separate the seat and the seat rest from each other, but if you have a helper, you have a chain hoist, you can leave it all mounted together, but today we're going to separate it. So we'll go ahead and we'll just unbolt the seat. Go ahead and shut your seat. We're going to lift it up off of there. All right, for the next part, some applications, this is all you need. This is all the access you need. But we're going to instruct you how to take everything off today. So next, we're going to go ahead and we're going to remove the seat riser mount bolts. So if you do have the hoist or you have a friend to help you, this is the step you would start with first. You remove the nut, reach down here and remove the other bolt on the retainer plate. And after that back bolt is removed, this retainer plate is free. Go under here. Remove the other one. And there's the second retainer plate. And then from there, all you got to do is lift up and the seat rest comes out of there. Once you get your task completed and you're ready to put your seat back on, this is how we're going to do it. Go ahead and grab your seat riser, set it down on there. There's two little grooves that the bolts will set down in. You want to get your retainers. You're going to want to put your retainer on, start your nut. Once again, don't tighten anything until you got everything started. Let's go over here and put this retainer on. And you will notice sometimes you get the retainer on, there's not enough bolt to get the nut started. You can just slide it either way. Okay, once you have the riser on, both retainer plates on, and both nuts started loosely, go ahead and flip it forward. It'll allow you to have more access to get this bolt through and lined up. The one on the left is probably still going to be in the wire clamp. The one on the right just slips through the retainer. And then once you have everything started, go ahead and get our wrenches and we'll get it tightened up. Once you have the back retainer bolts tight, go ahead and put it in the closed position. And then you can hold the head of the bolt, the inside of the bolt, and go ahead and tighten the outer ones up. All right. Give it a quick test, make sure it opens freely. Now we're ready for our seat. And you're going to notice a bunch of holes in the top of the plate. You want the front seat mount bolts to go through the front two holes. just like that. Once you get them all started, go ahead, grab your ratchet. Then after you get everything tightened up, don't forget to plug your seat switch back in. Alrighty, there you go guys, that's it. Shut it, make sure the latch latches properly. Give it a little tug, make sure everything's good. Okay guys, that's it. Installing your seat back on your 520 tractor. If there's anything else you guys want to see, please let us know. Thank you.